8 Whiskey, X-ray flight of 2, fly runway heading, runway 8 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 8 left, 232, Papa Golf, flight of 2.
He was used to our old call, huh?
Yeah.
Degree, sir, yeah, left traffic, 8 left.
Left traffic, 8 left, airport, thank you.
Center Hotel, number 2, follow weird, they're 2 mile final, runway 8 right, clear for the option.
8 right, clear for the option, inside 59 hotel.
There's a thanks traffic on a right facer, 4 mile final for the north runway Cessna.
Good looking for them, 59 hotel.
Here we go. And away we go. Antina Tower left, and then 45740, holding short of 8 left at Alpha. I'd like to do a couple laps in the pattern if you can accommodate.
740, Tower, stand by, chapter departing gyros.
Roger, inside 740.
Syracuse, Syracuse, and Group number 2, following Cessna on a 3 mile final.
810, number 2, 0 Kilo Gyro.
Yeah, Tower, Baron 584, Delta Foxtrot, ready to go on 8 left.
Baron 584, Delta Foxtrot, chance tower, pull up to hold short, runway 8 left.
Pull up, hold short for 8 left for Delta Foxtrot.
There's air traffic here on our left.
Oh yeah. Nice.
I hope Hal saw it.
Hal, do you have that traffic on your side?
Yeah, I saw it.
So that was the El Toro military base right in front of us. And then they chopped it all up.
Closed it down.
Yep.
They got a music venue there now.
Music venue, and they got a water park, they got a bunch of baseball diamonds and football, they got all kinds of sporty stuff.
That's good.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good use of the property. El Toro practice area, flight of 2 gyroplanes. We're just north about half a mile, 2,300 feet, heading north to south, and we do have you on site.
We'll be down here 1,400 out of your guys' way. No problem.
Sounds good. So Hal, your glory shot's going to be when we're coming on the way back, because we'll be on your right side with the coastline, so.
Yeah, that makes sense. You want me to follow you on the northbound leg?
Yeah, if you want to, that'd be fine.
All right.
I'm going to come by you on your right. Wind pushing us around.
Hit me up on fingers.
Got somebody else on here with us?
Somebody. Big old flag there, shows the wind direction, that's cool.
Oh, that is.
So if we have an emergency landing, we're landing this way.
Okay.
The same direction we're going.
Yep.
Into the wind.
Makes it easy.
So this is all Laguna Beach right here. Laguna Beach! Let's see where we can find my property. Okay, my property's right in front of us. It's all these palm trees and that green grass.
Oh, yeah.
So the house is actually kind of small. It's got a green roof on the right there.
See it.
But that whole yard, and it's got little private pools and a private beach and a private area. I'll take that one.
Okay.
You'll see it. When we turn around, you'll see it better.
Yeah, I could see you living there.
I can live there, yeah. Cost me like $100,000 for that house, so you know.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
100,000 million?
100,000 million, right? Yeah, look at that thing.
Wow.
All right, Hal, so just past my other houses here on the right, we'll probably loop around at this beach coming up.
Okay.
Like a little castle down there.
I know. And fly as slow as you can, Hal, if you would.
I've lost sight of you.
I'm coming up on your 4. Oh, you did fly slow.
Hit the brakes, they'll fly right by, huh?
That's right. The Maverick says.
Better reset this real quick.
Okay, I got you.
I got you.
You want me lower?
No, you're good. Tell me if you want me to swing wide or stay here. Or...
Stay here, that way I can establish.
See, because your background, you want to kind of get the beach if you can.
Yeah,
And Hal, come offshore about 100 feet.
100 feet.
yeah, it's better contrast now. We just need to get lower.
Perfect.
I'm actually fine with whatever they give me, I guess.
Just thinking I'd rather do the VOR than do a pattern, so I don't know.
It'll probably just be straight in the... Yeah, do VOR. Just, I guess
There we go. That's a good angle. I get the water and I get some of the buildings and see him really well.
Getting a little bumpy now.
Huh?
Getting a little bumpy now.
Am I good?
Gimbal does well though. It's holding the shot.
Good.
When you're moving and yaw and stuff.
Yeah. You can grab a couple pictures, that'd be great, but if not, don't worry about it.
Yeah. Let's see here.
That's probably cool.
All right. You like the shots?
Yeah, those look good.
Okay.
Thanks for that. AutoGyro is doing a calendar, and they wanted a couple of pictures.
Oh, whenever, let me know. It's like